Persephone, Divine Dominion, Maya World, Brawling Birds uko byari bimeze. Persephone and Divine Dominion vs Maya World and the Brawling Birds on the episode of AEW Dynamite. The high-stake women's trio match served as the major preview for the upcoming All-In London pay-per-view. CMLL World Women's Champion Persephone teamed up with the AEW Women's World Tag Team Championship Divine Dominion Megan Bayne and Lena Cross to face TBS champion Maya Ward and her partner, the Brawling Birds, Jamie Hayter and Alex Windsor. The bout devolved into a chaotic brawl as the tag team rivals Divine Dominion and the Brawling Birds spilled out of the ring and fought heavily on outside and up to the entrance ramp, with the referee completely distracted by the ongoing brawl at ringside. Persephone grabbed Maya Ward's own TBS Championship belt and blindsided her by cracking her across the face with it. Persephone immediately capitalized by climbing to the rope, execute a frog splash and secure the pinfall victory over the TBS champion. Umukino wahuzaga Persephone afatanyije na Divine Dominion aribo Lena Cross ndetse na Megan Bayne bahanganye na Maya Ward afatanyije na Brawling Birds aribo Jamie Hayter ndetse na Alex Windsor. Umukino wirirwamo n'abagore batandatu muri ring waje kurangira ikipe ya Persephone ndetse na Divine Dominion ibashije gutsinda ubwo Persephone yafataga umukandara wa TBS Championship akawukubita Maya Ward umusifuzi atareba bityo bikamuviramo gutsinda. Following the dirty finish, Persephone celebrated by holding up her CMLL Championship and Maya Ward's TBS Championship, heavily teasing a future championship match between the two. This took place during the episode of AEW Dynamite on 26th of August 2026 episode. Thank you for your time. Mwakoze kubana nanjye.